Welcome to part 4 of the chapter The Fun They Had. We have some words given in third paragraph. First is verse. It has been encircled. Verse is second form of the verb bad. And the other is S-E-N-T, sent for. Sent is second form of the verb send, and sent for is a phrase which means to request someone to come by sending a message or a messenger. Para 4. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. Now the word he refers to the county inspector. He and his physical features have been stated. He was a round little man with a red face. Round means he was fat. Little man, short-heighted, with a red face, having a red glow on his face, and a whole box, as he was a mechanical engineer who had come to repair Margie's mechanical teacher. What do you mean by dials? Dial is a surface or face on which a measurement such as speed is indicated by a moving needle. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again. Large and black and ugly with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. So, who smiled at Margie? The county inspector, and gave her an apple. It shows he was a child-loving person, quite kind and polite towards the children. Then took the teacher apart. He had come for that purpose only, as Margie's mechanical teacher had gone haywire. That means that had stopped working. There was some malfunctioning in that. That's why the county inspector was called. Now Margie was hopeful that the person would not know his job and would not be able to solve the problem. And why did Margie hope so? So that she might not have to study again. But to her utter dismay, her utter disappointment, total disappointment, the person was an expert and had known his job well, and within some time the mechanical teacher was back. As the author says, he knew how all right. That means how to fix the things, how to make the things all right. And after an hour or so, there it was again. Here the word it refers to the mechanical teacher, and here we have how the mechanical teacher looked like, and these words are extremely important. So the teacher was large, black and ugly, and we have already seen that Margie did not like school. She hated school. Large, black and ugly with a big screen on which all the lessons were displayed, all the lessons were shown, and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. What was not so bad? The appearance of the mechanical teacher was not so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Now, slot is a given space or time or position. Now, the part which Margie hated the most was not the appearance of the mechanical teacher, but the slot, the space, the given position where she was supposed to put homework and her test papers, which she, and why she did not like, we have already seen that she had been doing worse and worse in her geography test. She could not perform well. She always had to write, and how she had to write? In a certain punch code which they made her learn. Here the word they refers to mechanical teacher and her parents made her learn when she was 6 years old. Here grammatically it should be Y-E-A-R. This S should not come. And the mechanical teacher did not take much time to calculate the marks, as online checking does not take much time, we all know. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie's head again. So the teacher was all right, it was all fixed again. And the inspector smiled. Earlier also he smiled, so that means he loved to smile and he was quite affectionate, quite lovable, kind and polite towards children. To pat means to give a gentle or soft tap. He said to her mother, Mrs. Jones, "It's not the little girl's fault." Now, which fault is being talked about? That Margie could not perform well in her geography test. He further said, "I think the word I refers to the county inspector. The geography sector was geared a little too quick." Geared means adjusted, set. Was geared a little too quick. That means it was quite fast. It was not according to Margie's level. That's why Margie could not match the pace, the speed of the geography teacher. Those things happen sometimes. That means technical faults may be there. They may occur sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Why 10-year level only? That means according to the level of a 10-year-old child. As we know, Margie is 11-year-old. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. That means from her side, the girl was putting in efforts and the pattern of her progress, that means she was progressing at a satisfactory pace. And he patted Margie's head again. To pat means to strike or to tap gently, softly, and here PATTED second form has been used, patted, and I have used the word PACE, pace, which means speed. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether, totally, completely. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month, because the history sector had blanked out completely. Now, the question we have is, why was Margie hopeful that her teacher would be taken away completely and the county inspector would not know how to fix the problem? Means that was her hope. Why? Because same thing had happened with Tommy. Her teacher had also blanked out completely, the history sector of his mechanical teacher, and his mechanical teacher was taken away altogether for nearly a month. But this was not the case. That is why she was disappointed. So this question is also extremely important. Why was Margie disappointed? What do you mean by disappointed? When your expectations are not fulfilled, then you feel disappointed. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" You remember, she was scornful when Tommy told her that the book was about school. Thank you. Let's meet in the next module.